Hi guys, in this video gonna show you how to transfer your Facebook video to Twitter. So to do that I'm using transferringvideo.com. It's a website that can help you to transfer your video from one social media to another one. So in my case from Facebook to Twitter. So the first step is to copy the URL of your video. Then go back to transferring video and log in if you already have an account. If not, you have to register yourself. So once you are in your dashboard, you paste the link of your video and click go. Here you can edit the title and the description of your video. So if you want to publish it directly, you have to click in this button. If not, you have to click in this button to edit the video. So now you can choose where you want to upload the video. For example, in my case, I want to publish it to Twitter. The last step is to connect your Twitter account and authorize the application to be sent to Twitter. This might take few minutes. And that's all. You can now watch your video on Twitter.